Hi guys, in this video I will show you two ways to change Wi-Fi password in TP-Link Archer GX90. The first method is TP-Link Tether application on your smartphone, so if you use it, open Tether application, switch to Tools at the bottom and select Wireless. So here is your network name, here is your password, and you can change these credentials right here. Also, you can disable Smart Connect and set up separate passwords for 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. But in general, there is no reason to disable Smart Connect. For most users, better option is keep bands combined into one single 3-band network. So just delete your old password and type in a new one, save your changes, click OK in this window, and now your devices will be disconnected from this network because the password is new, so you have to reconnect each device to this network using your new password. That's how it works, guys. If this was helpful, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button to support us, and see you in the next videos. Bye.